I'm Danielle Stern, and as a studio signature artist in New York City, I'm really excited to tell you about the seminars we offer the professional hairdresser at the Wella studios in North America.
Our Color Dimension seminar is ideal for all stylists, whether you're looking to master your skills in lightening and dimension or on your journey to the Master Color Expert program. You'll understand the cause and effect of placement for your client's ideal dimensional look, and you'll perfect your technical skills so you can execute the look your clients are asking for.
Whether your clients are looking for a bold, standout look with high contrast or a soft look with gradual transition, this class will provide you with the skills and confidence you need to personalize your client's color look.
Once you have mastered color dimensions, consider taking our creative color seminar for ultra personalization.
I hope you found this information helpful. If you have additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you create a transformational learning plan that's personalized to your unique journey. We look forward to seeing you at a Wella studio soon.